How to add product carousel to your Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. So first, just log into your Shopify admin, go to online store and click on edit theme. Now from here, you just want to locate the page where you want to add it to. So I'm just going to use the home page here as an example and click on add section. Next up, I'm just going to scroll down until I find the collections option. So I'm just going to go to Future Collection Carousel, and you should be able to find it right away. And this is going to be where we want to add our collection, and it's just going to be a carousel, as you can see, so people can actually go ahead and slide between the different products that you do actually include in the collection. So obviously, you are just going to click on save if you do not have a collection yet. So just go back out and go to the products section, click on collections right underneath, and click on add collection. Simply just give it a name that you can recognize and add all the items that you want in it. Once that's done, you're just going to click on save and just go back to that section that we just discussed. So once you open up your editor again, click on the section itself, and you should be able to find the first option. It says collection. Click on select and obviously select the collection that we have just created. And now it's just going to be replaced with our products. As you can see, it's a carousel and it's pretty much good to go. So obviously you also have some more customization options here on the left panel. You can just feel free to really play around with them as well. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.